Just been having a little scroll on Instagram, and every second reel pretty much was stuff like, your alcoholic name is your first name plus your last name. Ha ha! Drink it. And it's so frustrating, because I think these people that are doing that, they're just trying to, deflect their own possible drinking issues. But what it's doing is, at this time of year, when people are struggling financially, worrying about Christmas coming up, and then there's just booze everywhere, and it's like, you see a reel and you're like, you know what, it's just a little bit of fun, let's have a drink, let's have 20 drinks, let's have, January in bed because we just overdone it over Christmas. Just don't pay attention to these reels if they're coming up in your feed.